Greetings, travellers. So today is an exciting day. We are leaving the house and going to the op shop, which have opened up again semi-recently. I'm going to go to one that I have not been to before. I've compiled a list of items that I'm sort of vaguely looking for. I am not expecting to find them all, but hoping to find some tailored shorts, some coloured leather items, like maybe some belts or some sandals might be nice, a bum bag for practical purposes, and some brown pants, I guess like a trouser style pant. And then there's other things that when I go to the op shop I'm always kind of looking for more of in different colours. Vests, sweater vests or like waistcoat style, drop earrings, lace up shoes. I'm also looking for more short sleeve button up like collared shirts for summer, so we'll see what the op shop brings us. We might even go to two. Leaving the house, leaving the house, leaving the house. Okay, what's on your list, Tess?
On my list I've got a denim vest,
Yep.
an oversized print tee with patterned pants, and platform shoes like sneakers or anything like that. Yeah, and then as always like any wool jumper.
Yeah.
Like that.
Nice quality garment.
Exactly.
Alright. We're in Vinnies Hampton. These pants with the lipstick. Oh wow. What are they? Actual Nikes. Oh, they're $40. But still, very fun. It's $4. Whoa. That is so strange. There's another one. So these are basically the style of tailored shorts I was after. I liked the length, but the fit around the waist was not quite what I was after. This was a groovy little grey skirt with a strange quality to it, which you'll see if you keep on watching. I tried it on with this white collared shirt, which was quite nice, but it was a Gorman piece, so it had the Gorman markup. I think it was like $20, and I didn't think it was that much nicer than a white shirt I could get somewhere else for less. But I did like this vintage little collared top cardigan. I thought it had quite a nice cut. You could wear it in a few ways, I thought, maybe for work or elsewhere. And this was a funny little party top. Didn't zip up at the side, unfortunately, but kind of cool. This straw dress, I wish it worked because I would have bought it, but it was just absurdly short, like barely covering my bum, so not sure about that. And then this yellow crop top is kind of a nice colour. To match that dress. Now it's time for going to the op shop.
We've already gone to the op shop.
We've gone to one op shop, yes, but what about second op shop? You reckon you'll get it? So these pants were really something. I really liked the shiny floral detail, but I don't think the fit was that flattering on me, and they look kind of like a track pant. And I wasn't mad about the top either. These pink pants also didn't have the most flattering fit, I thought. The shirt's really groovy. Probably wouldn't wear them together, but didn't quite fit at the shoulders, so I left that too. Got an outfit here with a couple of things that I got at the first op shop. The first, this is like a vintage cardigan / button-up thing, which I think is good because you can wear it in both ways. I like the way it falls, and I have been looking for something that is blue. I think this is a nice classic blue. I also got this belt. This is one of two coloured belts, which I'm really happy about. I kind of hit the belt jackpot. I really like the lemon yellow, how it looks with the blue. And I also got these earrings today, which are a bit more statement than I was thinking, but you know, it's fun to jazz it up, I guess. Okay, this is another thing that I got at the first op shop, which along with this second colourful belt. This skirt, it may look like a normal skirt for normal people, but it is actually a strange and bizarre skirt. It is completely reflective material. I've never seen anything like this at the op shop before. I probably shouldn't have bought it because I have no idea where I'm gonna wear this. Like, it's probably like a rave skirt for raves, which I don't really typically attend, but I guess maybe I should start. I guess one potential use case would be if I could wear it like at night, like when I'm coming back home from something, to prevent cars and drivers from running over me, because they'll be able to see me they'll be able to see my bum pretty clearly. So the first thing I got was this brown wool jumper. It's a little bit too big in the shoulders, but it's bound to happen, and I just can't go past a wool jumper. Yeah, I'm just really loving brown at the moment, so it's nice to have this full brown look that goes with this dress that I already bought from Depop. The other thing I bought was this kind of oversized babies, I guess, a wool coat type thing. I just really love the colours on it, like the kind of grey brown. I think that'll match a lot of things. I love the colour of these buttons. I just think it's such a nice detail. I don't know if someone's replaced them, but good call if they did. I know we filmed a whole video about what we would wear if we went to Europe, but this is truly something that I would pack. So this is the last thing I got, this cropped yellow shirt. I wanted to try and style it in a way that wasn't just like putting it on with a pair of shorts, but I don't know how I feel about this particular styling. I could try it the other way around, I guess, the more normal way. Yeah, this probably looks more normal. It also looks quite good on its own. I like mixing the different shades of yellow. I really like yellow and green at the moment. So yeah, summer ready. Here's all the stuff I got today.